So I've been using cursor and checking code, and it's the end of the week. I'm kind of tired of it. So what I'm gonna do is, this is my Claude setup, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add folder and Ninja Coding, NinjaTrader, bin, custom. Okay, right, just like that. And what I'm gonna do is create a copy of a native NinjaTrader drawing tool called ruler. Call it NC ruler. In the box where it has all the info, we're gonna have some of our custom fields instead. Number 1, % change. Number 2, how much money I would have potentially made using the position in the settings default to 1. So let's see. And I'm actually gonna choose, let's see if that works. Go. Oh, this was a plan mode. I don't know if I could do that. So if I was to do this manually, it would have taken me, well, at least an hour. Let's see what it wants. What should the NC ruler info box contain? Instrument plus 2 custom fields. So box shows the instrument name on top, then % change and profit, price move times point value times quantity. That's fine. So should % change and profit be signed? Negative when you drag the ruler. Always positive, right? Absolute values. Look, this guy is smart. So if I was to do this manually, this would have taken me, what? At least an hour, hopefully. Take the ruler code, study it, unfold it, take out what I don't need, put in what I do need, do the calculations. Let's see what this man achieves. I guess he is now creating the files somewhere in here. Here's a plan. The user wants to copy NinjaTrader name NC ruler, whose info box shows change profit. Per user answers, the box shows instrument name. What is it gonna do? Implementation. Drawing, yeah, that's correct. Class name. Can't even be bothered. Go. So let's see. It's been 2 minutes since I started, and we're gonna have a look. So guys, about 2 more minutes into this. My God. Okay, let's see like the result, right? So it's still working on it. So it's saying it's done, and well, I can see the code is here. Let's see if everything compiles. This is the native ruler. Everything actually compiles. Guys, if it's okay, it doesn't compile, and there we go. And basically, so what I can do is just, I would usually obviously do that, but it screwed something up, which is not nice. So I can just tell it, you screwed something up. Have a look at the compilation error. There's a big chance that now it's gonna, I think it fiddled with the project settings, which it should not have. Like here, generate target framework attribute. Why did it even go there? Anyway, it's my fault. Okay, that's the scary part. Okay, shouldn't even fiddle with those things. Shouldn't go anywhere except the custom.cs that it's working with, and it's being too smart. But I should have kind of told it not to. Let's see how it goes. So this is actually quite nice that it realized it shouldn't fiddle with the builds. It realized that, I don't know, it didn't hear me talking, did it? Anyway, let's try. Smart enough to realize to not fiddle with them as build. That's great. Let's see if the tool is here. NC ruler. Oh wow. I'm not sure even like the native one does that. Let's check it out. Native one. So it took the native one, copied it. So let's see if it does what I want it to do. So, damn. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. So let's double check. I don't know. Let's take a bar and NC ruler. No, this is $570. I'm not really even sure. So quantity. This is, if I put 2, that works. Okay. Also add ticks. So let's see. I'm not sure. Done. Instrument box now shows 4 lines, instrument name, change profit, and ticks. Okay. Strange. Probably didn't compile. Okay, there we go. So 142 ticks. Okay, let's see. 1 sec. So now we're gonna just double check that it works fine. So 30,282 minus 30,306.25. That's 24.25 points divided by 0.25. That's 97 ticks. 97 times $5. That's $485. Guys, 10 minutes, and I got a drawing tool of my life.